Welcome to Rajvi's Fun Club. Today we are gonna do art and craft. We're gonna make a turkey. For that we will need 2 pom-poms, scissors, glue, string, some feathers cutouts, googly eyes, and some details. I'm going to use a big pom-pom for the body, and it's so squishy. And then the red one will be the head. It's a little squishy only, and it's so soft. So, you're going to glue the red part here with glue. You take the glue and dab it on the pom-pom. Now you're going to put it back in the glue. Put the glue to the side and stick. See? Red is the head and brown is the body. Now we're gonna do the googly eyes. Do 1 dab on each googly eye. I'm gonna take the little cutout, fold it, and then stick it to right in the middle, like that. See how it turned out? Now we're done with the glue on a little red drop to make the beak, the gobble. To make the wings, I'll use the big red drop shapes and glue it on the top. Now, I'm gonna stick it here. Like that. Then, I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. White glue. It's good for this. Stick it. And then I'll stick it on. Now we're gonna make the feathers. We're gonna need a lot of glue for that. Glue like this. I'm gonna stick all the feathers on one side. Dab. Take it off. Dab. Take it off, dab, dab, take it off, dab, 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 take it off. I'm going to put the glue to the side and glue all of these feathers. 1 red feather, 1 orange feather, 1 yellow feather, 1 green feather, but I think we need to move red. dark green here and brown here. But I think yellow is falling off. Now the last step of making our turkey is we're gonna take this, fold it, and cut it into half. We're making the legs of the turkey. This is how I make 4 equal parts of one string. For making one leg like this, we'll need 2 small cutouts. We join them together like a plus sign, and then we entangle it. This is how I made 2 legs. Now glue both of the legs on the turkey. Like that. I'll simply put the turkey on the turkey's legs. Like that. This is my turkey all done. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.